Hi, Dr. T. My name is Chris. The purpose of this video is I wanted to share with you some of the things that I do to assist businesses much like your own, dental practices in specific, in how to grow your business organically by using Google. Google is a very powerful tool. I'm not sure how familiar you are with just how powerful Google is, but it is one of the top search engine in the world. Approximately 98% of all searches are done on Google. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to go through a couple of things that I could maybe assist you with in growing your business and bringing more patients to consult with on your website. And first and foremost, your website is beautiful, very nice. I like the fact that you're doing some branding or some opportunities here for people to come in and use free consultations, free x-rays, free Invisalign consultations. These are the types of things that really drive response, and I'm glad to see that you're very proactive on that. I also like the fact that you have a book now right here on the front. I want to talk to you a little bit about two categories to really focus on today. And the first one is going to be content, and that's content for the website. And the second one would be what's called backlinks. And backlinks and keywords I'm going to share with you. So kind of maybe 2 or 3 things in there that I would like to share with you and just how you could benefit from that. So first and foremost, I got to your website. I live in the area. I actually live in Pomona area. So what I did is I actually Googled dental veneers in Chino. And I noticed that was one of your specialties on your website, listed on your website. So I felt, well, this is an opportunity for you to get more dental veneer business and more dental veneer patients in your business. So with that, I just want to, let me move my photo out of the way here. And let me kind of walk you through what I found. When I actually Googled dental veneers in Chino, this is what you get. You're familiar with Google. You scroll down. The first, these top ones here are all sponsored. That means they pay to be there. And that's fine. That's a great opportunity. But what I think is very important is what's here organically. And that's what we start seeing. And we start seeing that about 4 positions down. And people are savvy enough in today's world when using Google, they know what to look for. And one of the things they look for are those, well, in your case, the dentists that are ranking organically. So the first one that ranks organically under dental veneers in Chino is Chino Smiles Dentistry and Orthodontics. The second one we have in here is Dental Care of Chino Hills. So I think these are good to know because if you look at the statistics on Google, that over 70% of decisions are made on the first 1 or 2 of the organic listings that are ranked in Google. So that means that these dental veneers in Chino, Chino Smiles Dentistry, and Dental Care of Chino Hills are getting the bulk of the traffic that's caused by this particular search. And I'll share with you just how strong that search is in just a minute. So if I go over to their websites, these are the 2 sites, Dental Care of Chino Hills, Dr. is it Shangla, and as you can see, another very attractive website. But you notice the amount of copy or the amount of content that's on the website. This is very beneficial for you as a dentist to have a lot of content on the home page. Now, if you go through yours, I notice we have some content on there, but we only have probably about, I would say, 600 to 700 words at most. Now, Google looks at your website, but they look at it differently. They look at it from behind, and they actually send in what are called spiders, and these spiders go through your website, and they search for certain aspects of your website. And some of those aspects are what is the website? What does it represent? In your particular case, your Ramona Dentistry of Chino. They want to know where you're located. They want to know if you have a phone number. They want to know your office hours. But specifically, they want to know what types of services do you offer and how will they benefit those people that are doing organic searches for dental veneers in Chino. So I hope that makes sense. So when we go over to your, what I believe this is your #1 competitor, Dental Care of Chino Hills, they have a tremendous amount of copy on that front page. Remember, I had stated that yours has about 500 to 700 words, whereas this one has about 15, probably about 1,500 words of copy on their homepage. And while that's really good, our goal is to get you to have that 1,500 words or more of copy on your homepage. And it's not just copy, it's specific copy. That's where we kind of jump into the second category, which is keywords. And keywords are those things such as dental veneer in Chino, California, or dental veneer in Chino. So that's what I had Googled here. So we would like to have dental veneers in Chino. That would be one of the aspects that we would put on your page. This is what is called keywords. Now, these keywords are very important to help Google determine, again, who you are and what you do. And these keywords will direct those potential patients that are searching for dentists in Chino to your website. So it gives you kind of that organic traffic. Now, your second competitor is Chino Smiles. Chino Smiles seems to be a very relatively large organization. They have multiple offices in the area, but they ranked number 2. Now, I will tell you, their website is very thorough, very direct, but it's really short on copy. So I think there's a lot of opportunity for you to overcome this particular competitor in your marketplace, and that would be Chino Smiles Dentist. We can overcome that by simply adding, like I said, about that 1,500 keyword or 1,500 content with lots of keywords that tell Google exactly what you offer. One aspect I wanted to share with you is I did a deep dive into your website, and this is a software. It's called Ahrefs. This software I pay about $15,000 a year for, and it is a very powerful tool. Much like the tools that you have in your office, this is my most powerful tool that I have in my office. And this tool will actually go through and I can analyze any website on the web. And this seems like a true advantage to those businesses that are looking to really understand what their competition is all about. So I actually plugged your website in here, Ramona Dentistry of Chino. I see that you have, I'll kind of define what's on here. The area in specific that I was looking at was keywords. And you have about 1,400 keywords on your website, which is very good. That's a very high count of keywords. If I go to your competition, you'll notice that they have about 440 keywords. And while that's much less, they're very effective keywords. So there's two types of keywords. There's what's called global keywords, such as tooth cleaning. And then there's local keywords, such as Chino Dentist. So it appears that your competition is really focused highly on those local keywords, and I will actually share with you what his keywords are. And they're dentistry in Chino, Chino Dentistry, dentist in Chino, and look where their rankings are. Actually, dentistry in Chino, they're ranked number 1. This position area here means that they're ranked number 1 on Google. And this is an opportunity for you. I know what your competition is doing. I can help you to rank number 1 on Chino and start driving more business to your website. And what do I mean by that, driving more business to your website? Well, if you take a look at the amount of traffic that you get on a monthly basis to your website, you're looking at about 1.1 thousand potential patients come to your website every month. That is a very good number. But I also notice too that you're on the decline. When I say you're on the decline, that means we have less people coming to your website, and that probably is directly related to where you're ranking when people type in dental veneers in Chino. So you actually declined about 400 searches a month. Now we can overcome that, and we can help you with that. Very simple, by adding more content and specifically more local keywords to your website, to the front page, your home page of the website. Another individual or another website that we looked at was also Chino Hills Dental. And another fascinating thing, let me back up a little bit here. I noticed that your traffic was about 1.1 or 1,100 people a month come to your website. If you look at Hope Dentistry in Chino, they get about 1,500 people a month, and they're growing monthly about almost 700 potential patients a month. I think we can help you get more patients and get more consultations. If I look at your next competitor, Chino Hills Dental, they're getting about 1,600 patients a month coming onto their page, and they're increasing about 370 per month. But they have a lot less keywords. And again, it's those keywords are local keywords for searching, in this particular case, dental veneers in Chino. So the opportunity is there. If this is something that you'd like to explore a little bit more, again, my name is Chris. I am actually with a company called Big Fork SEO. I'm based here in Pomona. And if you would like to have a deeper consultation, you can reach out to me at my mobile, which is area code 714-615-7605. Thanks so much and have a blessed day. Please reach out to me, and I'm going to send this to you via email. And please feel free to follow up with me in email as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.